well. If it isn't Puss in Boots himself. In the flesh. There's the famous hat, the feather, and of course, the boots. My compliments to your cobbler.
Thanks. Good to meet you, too.
Hey, I never do this, but can I get your autograph? Been following you for a long time. Right there.
Puss in Boots laughs in the face of death. Bounty hunter.
So I've heard.
You tell you.
Everyone thinks they'll be the one to defeat me. But no one's escaped me yet. Slow slap sad. You're not living up to the legend, Gato. I just love the smell of fear. Lives flashing before your eyes. Pick it up. Pick it up. Corre, corre, gatito. It's intoxicating.
It is?
Sorry to crush the party with your past lives, or your past deaths, as I like to call them. I was there to witness all of them. It's frivolous. But you, because Puss in Boots laughs in the face of death, right? But you're not laughing now. Death. I don't mean it metaphorically or rhetorically or poetically or theoretically or in any other fancy way. I'm death. Straight up. And I've come for you, Puss in Boots. But, you know, I'm not a cat person. I find the very idea of 9 lives absurd. And you didn't. Why don't I do us both a favor and take this last one now?
That's kidding!
Shh, don't tell. Run ahead! Run for it. Makes it more fun for me.